晚餐and 营养组的8000。
Business. Hey, Sean, how are you? Why are you staring at me like you never saw me before? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Hello, everybody. Hello, how are you? How's it going? You got a lot of nice stuff. Gee, you're short. Nice to see you. Well, it's on the day. Nice to meet you. Where's the other one? Any sales yet? Nice to see you, huh? Nice to see you. Watching? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. When people hug up, they put their faces face to this way. So you put this way, like that, you almost kiss back. How are you? Cool. Nice to meet you. You're kind of small. Welcome, welcome. Good job, huh? Very good job. How about you? Fun food. Nice to meet you. Hello, how are you? Nice to see you. Are you helping today? Wonderful. Michelle, nice to see you. Who's? Nice, very well. Nice to see you. Are you here to buy or help? Good. Did you sell anything? So cute. I'm waiting. Where's Blue? Blue is here. Pepper, nice to see you. Sister, nice to see you. Let me sit here and see how you guys sell. Okay? All right. My name is Rinpoche. I'm going to interview every one of you. Okay? What do you like most about selling things? Never mind all that. Come, never mind all that. What do you guys like most about selling things?
Learning how to talk to people
Really? Are you successful in it?
most of the time.
Okay. Out of 10 times, how many times are you successful to sell? Out of 10 times, how many times are you successful?
7.
That's pretty good. You gonna try to sell me something? How about you? What do you like most about selling? What do you like most about selling?
Learning to bargain with people.
Bargain what way? You make the price low, they make it higher.
Make it higher. Start the price high and then bring it lower by not so much.
How many percent do you usually? Oh, better not. It's a trade secret, right? Okay. Sean, what do you like most about selling flea market? Which you've been doing a good job for 2 years now, probably more.
Well, the flea market is a good opportunity for us to be able to work hard and be responsible for everything, a lot of things here.
But you know what? You guys are going to do something really good now because you're going to be helping the orphanage. It's not just profits anymore. And when you guys go to the orphanage and you see the kids smile and you see them say thank you to you, it's going to touch you deep inside. All right? So you guys are not selling for yourself. You're using your Sundays for a very good job. Okay? What about you? What do you like most about selling lunch?
It's good for us to learn how to sell in a young age.
Did you rehearse that or is that from your heart?
From my heart.
Really? Show me your heart.
It's here.
So tell me, do you like to work with your fellow people?
Yes, Rinpoche.
Why do you like to work with them?
Because they are very easy to get in touch with.
They're good people.
They are good. They are
What
good
else?
friends.
You guys all get along really well, huh?
Yes, Rinpoche.
Good for you. How about you? What do you like about the flea market the most?
The fact that we are selling all this to buy things for the people who cannot afford to buy the things.
Do you feel good about that?
Yes.
Do you want to help other people who maybe need help?
Yes.
Because you have a pretty good life, right? Yeah, that's right. Very good. What about you? What do you like about selling? Nice pendant.
I like selling things because all these things I know that they don't go to profits or anything. They go to for good reason to help the orphanage, to get them things that they need. So it makes me feel very good
Are you excited to go to the orphanage?
because we can go there and help all the people who can't do anything.
Do you think we can do this long term to help them maybe?
Yes, we should.
Good for you. Good for you. What about you? What do you like most about? Hey, I interviewed already. You stay here.
I've learned how to talk to people, communicate with people, lower down my ego and talk to people.
And being the only beautiful girl here with all these big boys, did they bully you?
No, Rinpoche.
Did they treat you like a lady?
Yes, Rinpoche.
Did they treat you like a lady?
Yes, Rinpoche, they did.
Except... You know, brothers are made to torture sisters, but I'll teach sisters how to torture brothers back.
Thank you, Rinpoche.
That's good. You guys have been doing this, what, 2 years, 3 years, right?
4
years, huh?
4 years.
About 3 to 4 years ago, the kids are pretty free and they're very good kids and they're very small. They're all this size. One of them is still this size. And I asked them to do flea market in Amcorp Mall. The reason I asked them to do the flea market is because I want them to learn how to interact with people, how to sell, how to raise funds for charity, how to get rejection, how to feel good, how to feel bad. Because when you're doing sales, you're going to meet all types of people. Some people are going to reject you. Some people are going to help you. Some people are going to listen to you. Some people are not going to listen to you. So when you actually do this, you build up the kids' self-esteem to put up with rejection. You help them to feel successful in what they're doing. You help them to feel that they've accomplished something. And especially if the sales are for a good cause, then it will make them feel very good to help someone else. And I think it's very important to instill this in our young kids. And these kids have been doing it for 3-4 years, consistently, all the time, rain and shine. They take their Sundays off, they can be outside, they can be on their computer, they can be playing, but they're here every Sunday with preparations, packing, unpacking, loading, unloading, and they're at the top floor, so they gotta lug everything up. And the escalator doesn't work. So it's a lot of efforts come up here. So I'm very, very proud of these kids. They've been doing it for so many years. I came here today to give them my support and also donate a few of my things for them to sell. A lot of the proceeds this time is going to go to a special orphanage that they're going to go and buy things to help some of those orphan kids. And I think it's good. You see, this is a better way of spending time than on a computer, than on the smartphone, on internet, on Facebook, wasting your time all the time, talking with people you never meet, getting reactions from people you're never going to meet. This is a better way to train up our kids to do something very useful. So today we're here at the beautiful flea market and with our wonderful group of kids here. Okay, so we got Pavara here. I want to see what he says. We got Pavara here.
I'm Jutika.
He knows his name. We got Jutika here. We got Pavara here, who's camera shy. Great pendant. We got Julian here, the big guy. We got Miss Beatrix, nice young lady. Now who is this? Clifford. No. Amcorp Mall. No. Starfly. No. I think it's Lucas. Yeah, finally I remembered his name. Then we got wonderful Sean here, another very intelligent man who does wonderful writing on FB. Sometimes a little interesting what he writes, but nevertheless creative. Then we got Edward here, whose special job is to make sure there's no leftovers for lunch. I know, look who's talking. These kids are wonderful, and they're under the leadership. They're under the leadership of Miss Sakwan, who spends her Sundays with these kids, talks to them, guides them, leads them, drives them around, and does everything with them. And I'm very, very proud of her, and I must thank her.
Thank you, Rinpoche. Thank you, Rinpoche.
I must thank her. Now I want to ask the kids one more thing. Okay, you can go over there. What is the most difficult part of selling?
You have to prepare to get rejected.
How do you feel when they reject you? Do you feel it's personal or it's just the item?
I feel that you have to learn to accept it because there are people who have different attitudes and they might not be interested in it.
But they're not rejecting you, right?
They are rejecting me asking them to buy something.
They're rejecting the item. There's nothing for people to reject you about. You're a wonderful, handsome, smart young man. They're not rejecting any of you guys. They're rejecting the item because they may not need it, right? So if they say no to you, you don't feel rejected because it's not about you, all right? What's the most difficult thing for you when you sell?
Bargain.
Sorry?
Bargain.
Bargaining. This is Malaysia. Everything's bargaining here. Why is that difficult? You were born to bargain.
Because sometimes they come up with prices that we can't accept and kind of feel bad. That
High overhead, huh?
yes.
How high is your overhead? Don't tell. What about you? What's the most difficult?
Presenting and convincing the customers to buy your stuff.
But how many out of 10 do you sell?
Probably around 7 or 8 out of 10.
That's not bad. Pretty high like them, huh? Yeah, not bad. What about you? What's the most difficult thing about selling?
Most difficult is when they want a lower price, like way too low.
Any other difficulty besides price?
Not really.
How about carrying things up and down?
That's not a problem.
Nothing. You're quite strong, huh? Can you carry me up and down? How about if you sell me?
No,
How much do you think you can get?
not sure.
$10?
No.
11. How about you, Lucas?
Convincing and persuading people to show them how the item that's bought can be used in their lives.
So you have to be real creative, don't you? You have to think of a different angle to counter whatever they're countering you with, right?
Yes.
Does that make you grow?
Yes, I guess it improves my skills in speaking and convincing people in some.
And after you talk for like 15, 20 minutes, they say no. How do you feel?
I feel that I'll do better next time.
Wow. So you don't take it personally, huh?
No, I don't.
Good for you. So you're your class monitor now, right? You've been elected.
That was last term.
That's pretty good though, because I'm a little behind the times. So it's kind of like class. Some people reject you, and you got to find another way through, don't you?
Yeah, I take responsibility anyways, sometimes.
Well, you talk very well this time. I love it. How about you, Sean? What do you find the most about selling?
What the most difficult thing about selling is seeing how people can be so selfish that they do not want to provide any amount of money towards people who really need it, such as the orphanage. It's really sad.
Does that kind of hurt you?
It hurts me it makes me feel ashamed to be a human because they cannot share the same love that we can provide to
And you're here working every weekend for free without taking anything, and from the goodness of your heart, and at least they can help you to support somebody else, huh?
Yeah. So it's very shameful sometimes when people don't understand that they're just so selfish with their own material gain that they don't even want to help others with it.
Well, what I think you should do is sometimes people can't afford it. Sometimes people think differently. Sometimes they have fears. I think we have to forgive them. And there's a lot of people. But the good thing is every week, if you can make more friends, it's nice to have repeat customers, huh?
Yeah, they come quite often. And
Do you like that?
they always ask for more bargains.
Yeah, this is a flea market, what? Yeah. But I'm very glad to see you here. And you guys are doing a great job. Thank you very much. What about you, Edward?
The hardest.
What's the most hardest? Buying lunch.
Bargaining.
What to eat for lunch? Raising funds for lunch. What's the most difficult?
Bargaining.
Come on, give me something original.
Sometimes people are really rude. When you tell them.
Sometimes they're very rude. Maybe it's karma coming back.
Sometimes when you have lowered the price already, they still try to bargain. Sometimes they want to buy stuff and get some items for free. And sort of stuff is very hard for me to decide.
Well, I'm very happy to see you guys here. Very happy. These kids, really, for 3-4 years now, every single weekend on Sunday they're doing this. They get no personal rewards. All they get is lugging things here, selling things, and feeling good when the money goes to some good charity. I'm very proud of these kids, and I'm very happy that they've been doing this for many years, and they're continuing, and although they're not such small kids anymore, they're still doing it. They have my prayers, they have my support, and they definitely have my gratitude and appreciation for doing this. They're wonderful, wonderful kids, and Sundays are used very well, and this is what I'm happy with. Thank you. And maybe we can film all the stuff here and see what's available. I'm going to sit down and watch them do their sales and pretend I'm not here. Okay? Thanks. Nice, huh? Seriously, it's not your fault.